Hello students, we have already started chapter sound. Now today we have also discussed some topic from this chapter. Now first I will again revise. See here, there are different musical instruments that can easily produce the sound, but how sound will produce? See, sound will produce in the form of vibration. Okay, so how is sound produced? How is sound produced? In the form of vibration. So it travel from one form to another, one place to another, and so in this way we will listen the sound. See here in this figure, he vibrates this pen or plate with a stick, so he can easily produce the sound. So take a metal plate and this type of metal plate, and with the stick he can produce the sound. See here, this is an instrument Ektara. In this instrument, this is a coconut shell. This is a coconut shell, and this instrument is called Ektara. You can also make it with the help of an earthen pot. This is manjara. So these are the different type of musical instruments. See here in this figure. See here. There are some bowls filled with water, and with a stick he is producing the sound. So this is called jal tarang, because there is water in this bowl. So this is called jal tarang. Now this topic we have already discussed, sound produced by humans. So in humans, this sound is produced by the voice box. See here, this is voice box. Put your fingers on the throat. This is throat, and find a hard bump that seems to move when you swallow. This part of the body is known as the voice box. It is at upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cord can make the cord tight or loose. So these topic we have already discussed. Now next topic is sound needs a medium for propagation. See, medium is required for producing a sound. When you call your friend who is standing at a distance, your sound is able to hear your friend is able to hear your voice. How does it possible? How does your sound travel to your friend? through the medium. So medium is required. This is the activity shown here. See here. In this activity, take a metal plate or glass. Make sure that it is dry. Place a cell phone in it. Ask your friend to give a ring on this cell with another phone. So now surround the rim of the tumbler with your hands. Put your mouth on the opening between your hands. Indicate to your friend to give a ring again. Listen to the ring while sucking air from the tumbler. So medium is required for producing the sound. Yes. Now we will discuss new topic. See, this type of activity you have performed many times in your childhood. Here there is a string from this hand and he is producing the sound and your friend is listening the sound. Okay, so medium is also required here. So many more activities is given in your book. You can easily check the activities and you can easily perform the activities if you want. Now we will discuss about human ear. This is very important topic for exam point of view. So I will write here important topic. Understand? So here in this ear, the eardrum, where is eardrum? Yes, this is eardrum. See here. This is eardrum, very important part of the eardrum. So, what is the functioning of eardrum? Eardrum is like a stretched rubber sheet. Is like a stretched rubber sheet. Sound vibrations make the eardrum vibrate. जब साउंड वाइब्रेशन जब आते हैं तो ये ईयर ड्रम क्या होता है, वाइब्रेट होता है. ठीक है, वाइब्रेशन से साउंड प्रोड्यूस होते हैं तो ईयर ड्रम को भी वो वाइब्रेट करता है. फिर ईयर ड्रम से क्या होता है, देन ईयर ड्रम सेंड्स वाइब्रेशन टू द इनर ईयर. यहाँ से ईयर ड्रम से इनर ईयर पे आपके वाइब्रेशन को वो प्रोड्यूस करेगा. ये यहाँ पर वाइब्रेशन इनर ईयर पे प्रोड्यूस होंगे. यहाँ से आगे जाएंगे, सबसे पहले जो वाइब्रेशन होगा वो ईयर ड्रम को वाइब्रेट करेगा, फिर वाइब्रेट कर ईयर ड्रम होने के बाद साउंड को आगे इनर ईयर पे प्रोड्यूस करेगा. ठीक है, इस तरीके की सिचुएशन होती है. फ्रॉम देयर द सिग्नल गोज टू द ब्रेन. अब यहाँ से ब्रेन पे सिग्नल जाते हैं. ब्रेन क्या करता है, उसको ऑथेंटिकेट करता है और चेक करता है कि भाई ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस जो हो रहा है, ठीक है, किसका साउंड है. अगर आपका फ्रेंड है, आपके डिफरेंट फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनकी वॉइस अलग अलग होती है, तो उसको कौन चेक करता है, उसको ब्रेन चेक करता है. आपको पता चलता है कि भाई ये मेरे इस फ्रेंड की वॉइस है या इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट की वॉइस है ये. ठीक है, ईयर ड्रम से इनर ईयर में साउंड जाता है, वहाँ से ब्रेन में जाता है. ठीक है, नर्व्स के थ्रू जाता है ये. तो ये आपका है ना, इसमें एक्टिविटी होती है. ठीक है, आउटर मोस्ट जो पार्ट होता है ईयर का, उसको आप फनल कहते हैं. इनर उसके जो होता है ईयर ड्रम होता है. साउंड एंटर होगा आउटर मोस्ट पार्ट से, जैसे फनल कहते हैं, वो ट्रेबल होता है, कैनल के थ्रू जाता है और ईयर ड्रम तक जाता है. ठीक है. When sound enters, it travels down a canal at the end of which a thin membrane is stretched tightly. It is called eardrum. अगर eardrum की definition आपसे पूछी जाती है तो आप क्या कहेंगे? Inner part of the yes, here a thin membrane is stretched tightly. It is called eardrum. It is a thin membrane. So that's all for today's topic. We have discussed next topics further. Thank you so much.